the bush again. We've got another house in the bush. Oh my God, I love the bush. It's just a great place to work. I really, really do love working in the bush. This is quite a large house, and we've got all the outside to do, all the inside. The outside is 90% ready, and the inside is not quite ready, but I can still do some work on it. But that's where I'm at. I'm just here, and it's going to have all, it's like a artificial weatherboard on there, and I've got to gap it all. And yeah, so anyhow, I'll show you what I do and how I go about getting this sucker all sorted out. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like button. Catch us later. Got 2 gates to open on this one. Pain in the royal butt. There it is up there. There it is. So as I said, definitely in the bush. We've got some horses in here. What a beautiful place to work. Absolutely amazing. Love it, love it, love it. Got my mask here. If I'm working with anybody. Also got another mask up there. And I have a my antiseptic spray. This is called F10. Now this is what veterinary clinics use to for parvo, stuff like that, surgeries, stuff like that. But this will kill the coronavirus, and I spray that over just about everything. And that's not the only gate. We've actually got another gate up a bit further. Just about need a 4-wheel drive to go to work. That'd be awesome. Should bring the old dirt bike out here and give it a squirt.
Some form of control still, making our constant binary choices and voicing our equally shallow opinions more loudly or quietly. Most people can't even decide what color to wear or which burger to eat. But does it matter, man? Autonomy is an illusion. Autonomy is an illusion.
So I'm going to show you something here. If you have an opportunity to roll before the carpenter fits out, do it. Especially if you're doing your own build or something like that. Really pays off, and I'll show you why. Because you see there's no architraves, there's no fitting. So when I roll this, and they come along,
and they put their frames on here. I already painted that, so basically my next job after they put them on is to putty and gap. Same as the skirtings, they're going right down. Exactly the same principle. So it just means that I have one less spray time and we're going to get a much better finish.
Most people can't even decide what color to wear or which burger to eat. What the does it matter, man? Autonomy is an illusion. Autonomy is an illusion. Autonomy is an illusion.
So I've actually cut in, while I've got my trestle there, I've actually cut in my eaves. They've still got to put timber up there, pretty sure of that. I don't think they're going to finish it like that. Then I'll roll these eaves. Now to do these walls, I'll probably spray. These are going to be a dark grey. As you can see, this is what it looks like when it's not gapped. So quite a bit to do. These ones here, these ones here that have the steel bolt, I actually meant to buy some 2-pack bogged, builder's bulk, to fix them up with. I don't really want to just put putty in them, or I'll put putty in these. These aren't a problem. These corners have a lot of screws in. All this is going to go ultra deck, just a natural ultra deck. So I've got quite a lot of gapping to do, probably about 3 or 4 days. It's all gapped, it's all looking pretty good. And I'll probably just, I'm not sure yet, I'll probably just blow 2 coats of weather shield over that with the gun and a small tip. Then I'll do a final one, give it a light sand down, then I'll do a final one with the brush. I don't think I'll put a roller on it. I'll see how lazy I feel. I don't really want a texture on it. But I'll give you a bit of a look around the rest of the house. Now this house is quite a large house. I think it's 430 or 470 square metre under roof. So I'm going to be doing this by myself. These are the gaps I'm using. This is the GSA, or the caulking compound I'm using. The good thing about this, it's actually very smooth to use, very nice to use. fucking pain in the ass, especially when it's like a direct stick floor. Yeah, it looks time consuming. It was better than, you know. I'll tell you what I'll do, I'll roll that and you roll my ceilings. I think you change your tune, then you go, oh look, doing the floor's easy. When he was working on that one, I came up and done this one here. So as you can see, it looks a whole lot better. So tomorrow sometime I'll get into those other areas and do them. There's another few rooms down here. I've got some patching to do. A couple of mistakes with some holes. So I'll do them. There's no pre-paint on this builder. And we've got a really, really high carport down here. Not sure how many, maybe 3 meters high. Yeah, it's very high. I'm struggling to reach it, but I'll manage. It won't be too much of a drama. Now I did put a sample of the colour out here, which I'll just show you. It's a bit bright, but that's a sample of the actual wall colour. If you can see that there, it's actually a light grey. And this is the surf mist that I've done on the eaves. I've actually cut in probably a third of the house when I was gapping. As you can see, I've gapped all these here, and I've only got gap to there. I ran out of gaps on Saturday, so I had to go and get another 3 cartons. But that's how it'll finish there, and these windows will come down in surf mist. So that's her. Nice job. They'll do some downpipes, some PVC downpipes as well. Now these joins, as you can see, they've actually glued all the joins. There's actually a proper stuff. This is like bloody Sikaflex. So I got to cut that back, clean it up. As you go down here further, you'll see the gaps get bigger and bigger and bigger. You know, but we'll sort it out. So we've got 3 cartons of GSA gaps there, and I've already used nearly a carton as well. The ceiling paint is the Berger Gold label ceiling flat. And this is what the external is going to be, this weather shield, low sheen. So that's what it'll be, and there'll be 3 coats of that put on. Now this is my little gadget for the corners, which I'll show you how it looks after using it for the last few months. And here it is, still working as good as gold. See that roller frame will come out there. So if that roller frame does crap itself, it's $2 to buy that gadget.